Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you that how to create this face stretch effect in Adobe Photoshop CC. Open your picture on which you want to apply the effect. Create a new layer. Choose Curvature Pen tool. Click on the face and start drawing a curve path. You can move and add new points to reshape the path. Choose Smudge tool. Make sure that strength is set to 100%. Also ensure that Sample All Layers is checked. You can adjust the size of Smudge tool with square bracket keys. Again select Curvature Pen tool. Hover over the starting point of the path, and it will turn blue. Then right-click, and choose Stroke Path. Select Smudge from the drop-down menu. Click OK to apply. You can see that the effect is being applied. Select Background Layer. Go to Select menu, and choose Subject, to make the selection of the man. Now, select Top Layer, hold down Alt key, and when you see the arrow, click in between of the both layers. Apply Layer Mask. Choose Brush tool. Adjust the brush size with square bracket keys. Make sure that we are on Layer Mask. On Layer Mask, whenever we paint with black color, it will hide the details, while painting with white color will show the details. So that was the how to create face stretch effect in Adobe Photoshop CC 2022. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.